said next. Emily leaned in and whispered, "He wasn't working alone." My blood turned cold. She said there were others people who visited the house who knew she was there. One of them even brought her food regularly. She remembered voices, conversations, laughter, and then she dropped a name. Someone I'd known my whole life, my godfather. He used to take me fishing when I was a kid. He came to our house every weekend after she vanished. The knock at the door came before I could process it. It was the police and Emily. She just stood up calmly and said, "You should let them in." I told them everything.